Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is day 10. We've got 2 days left. I feel like this has gone by, but the editing in me says it's not going by fast enough, okay? But let's just get into it. Let's go. So this is the Armani Beauty Neo Nude True to Skin Natural Glow Foundation. This retails for $40 for 1.18 fluid ounces. Comes in 24 shades. I got it in the shade 13. I just did like a little, I guess, updated how I feel about it thing with their Luminous Silk foundation, which you guys know that's like a holy grail in the beauty community, and I'm pretty sure I wear like 14 in that shade. So I don't know if the shades correlate. If they do, we might have a problem, Houston. But I'm assuming like the shades can't correlate because that one has more shades than this one. So let's just cross our fingers on this. What do they say about you though? What it is: a skincare infused lightweight foundation that delivers all day hydration, visibly plumps and smooths and gives skin a healthy glowy finish. Coverage is light, finish is natural, formulation is liquid for normal, dry, combination oily skin. What else you need to know? This buildable light coverage foundation blends pure pigments with lightweight oils for a comfortable no makeup look. Formulated with hyaluronic acid and glycerin, this liquid foundation smooths and plumps the appearance of skin while delivering lasting hydration and a naturally glowy finish. This kind of sounds like what the Luminous Silk would do for you, but just like a lighter version. This might be like their tinted moisturizer option of this. I feel like I've been saying tinted moisturizer a lot in the last 10 days. It's not intentional, but again, it's kind of hard finding foundations at this point to include in this series because I've done so many of them. But this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like on the bottom. We could be good today. Okay, so let's just go ahead and blend this out. Something in my eye. So this is just the foundation on my face. It makes sense. I was using it every other day that today I'm going to use the Luminous Silk concealer also from Armani Beauty. And this will be my face for the day. I am feeling it even though my lash is hanging on by a thread. I think my lash glue is done. Not done like there's nothing left in it, but as far as like the tackiness goes, I'm pretty sure it's wiped out. So it is 11:28. I will go check in midday and then I will see you all back here later tonight so I can tell you how I feel about this foundation. It is 4:40. This is my face is looking like. Okay for a foundation. I'm pretty sure like claimed to be a radiant finish, stuff like that. I am getting oily here in my nose area, but okay. Armani, I don't know why I almost called this NYX. I see, ooh, okay. So I am back. It is 6:09. This is my face is looking like. Honestly, I was thinking about it the whole day, and I feel like the best way I can describe the experience of trying this foundation today is this like the tinted version of the Luminous Silk foundation? Because from the description to how it wears on the face, I feel like I'm not seeing much of a difference between these two. And I question the tinted part of it because it's not really giving tinted moisturizer, but then it's giving like the same exact coverage and feel of the Luminous Silk. So I'm like, what is supposed to be the difference between these two foundations? Then I thought about it and I was like, maybe it kind of is like the Luminous Silk foundation, but the price point is different. Okay, you probably get more with the other one because the other one is like what, $60 something and this was $40 something. I think the other one also has more shades as well. But you know, if it is pretty much like that's what the difference is between these two, like the price point and some shades. If you have wanted to try that foundation but you're not trying to buy a $60 something foundation, maybe you could give this one a try and, you know, see how that plays out for you. What they say about this foundation: skincare infused lightweight foundation that delivers all day hydration, visibly plumps and smooths and gives skin a healthy glowy finish. Buildable light coverage foundation, no makeup look, formulated with hyaluronic acid. Yeah, like I'm looking at this, like the description, I feel like I could be talking about either foundation and the outcome would be the same. Coverage, light. Yeah, if you're light-handed, yeah, you could get light coverage with this. I feel like it's pretty medium coverage to me, but like when I think light coverage, I'm thinking sheer, like some of the other tinted moisturizers I've tried this week. Finish natural, yeah, maybe that's the difference. This is supposed to be more of like a natural finish, and Luminous Silk gives you more of like a radiant luminous finish. But again, I feel like I'm getting the same thing from both of them. Buildable, yes. No makeup look. Again, if you're light-handed where you do get the light coverage from this, yeah, you probably can get like a no makeup look. But like if you're doing medium coverage level, then I feel like, yeah, they're gonna know you're wearing makeup, but it's not gonna look like, you know, layers of cake on your face. So yeah, no makeup look, formulated with hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Foundation smooths and plumps the appearance of skin. I don't know. I guess I'll have to leave that to y'all. If you think this plumps anything about my skin, or smooth, I guess, yeah, I would say it gives smooth. It definitely gives smooth on the face. It's the plump, I'm not sure about that one. I'll leave y'all to tell me if it does that or not. A naturally glowy finish, yeah, it gives you which is why I'm also like, I'm not so sure how much of like a natural finish it gives, but it definitely gives you a naturally glowy finish to the face. I like this. I like it. Yeah, we see where my oil is. Again, it's more so around my nose and forehead area. The rest of my face, it's not giving oily on the rest of my face. The rest of my face, I feel like it's giving dewy. Glow from within? Not glow from within. Dewy. Let's say dewy. But other than that, I'm really not sure what to tell y'all because I feel like I've told you about it when I was talking about Luminous Silk. Actually, this probably is a little thicker than Luminous Silk. I feel like Luminous Silk runs a little bit more on the watery side. And this one is not like thick, but it's not runny either. So maybe I'm trying to think of the differences between these, besides the price, besides the shades. I'm trying to think. Not much is coming to mind. I like them both. Which one? Okay, so I guess the question is, which one would I actually pick up if I could only get one? Oh. Now how would they work together? That is a question. I'm sure someone sitting out there is like, no, boo boo kitty, because that would mean buying both of them for like over $100. So I'm gonna need you to pick one, but I'm gonna keep that in the back of my mind. What would both of them look like on the face? Because this might actually have better oil control than the Luminous Silk, which makes sense given Luminous Silk oil control. But this might actually have better oil control than the other one, which is why I'm kind of sitting here going back and forth, like if I could only pick one, which one would I pick? I don't know. I think if I could only pick one of them, I think I might actually pick this one. They're so close to being the same foundation to me that I really do not know what to say right now, but I think if I had to pick one, I might pick this one. Just because, like I say when I mentioned Luminous Silk for me works best when I'm mixing it with something else. Like on my face, it looks great, all that good stuff, right? But like as far as wearing it goes throughout the day, I feel like that's one of those good mixer foundations, and then I'll like mix it with something that's a little bit more mattifying, just so I get more bang for my buck throughout the day for someone who has oily skin. This one, I feel like I wouldn't have to do that. So that might be why I'm going with this one. This one probably could do a little mix with something a little bit more mattifying and still look nice on the face. But I think that's why I might have to say I would go with this one. And it's like $20 cheaper. Yeah, we're gonna go with the, was it Neon Nude? We're gonna go with the Neon Nude. But this one is still also giving skin, which again is why I'm like, I'm not sure what the difference is between those two, but that could be a good thing. Like I said, if you have wanted to try Luminous Silk, maybe go ahead, start with this one first since it is cheaper, but just know like Luminous Silk is going to give you just a little bit more radiance, a little more luminous. Maybe that's also why I'm gravitating towards this, because again, oily skin. But yeah, let me blot what is there. Try not to poke these lashes. And this is what it's looking like. This is actually kind of a lot. Like, that's a lot on the tissue right now. Looks like I just slapped my whole face with it. But once I blot that away, you know, again, the true to skin, giving you very much skin. This is giving more dew than, you know, oil, like I said before. Listen. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go with Neo Nude. And you know what time it is? It is time for a giveaway before I forget. We've been good for the last 10 days. How many days? 10 days. So today's question is, what is the best brand of water? Yes, there is a difference with how water tastes. So let me know down below what the best brand of water is. And of course, your handles, so I know where to contact you at. So that is today's giveaway. Anything else for this video? Nah, yo, I think that is it on this foundation. And it's weird to me because I want to keep saying tinted moisturizer for this, but it's not. I'm thinking, okay, that's what the difference is between the Luminous Silk and this one. This one is a tinted moisturizer, that one's a foundation. But no, this is at least advertised as a foundation, not a tinted moisturizer. Especially with some of the ones that I tried earlier this week. Like, this is definitely a lot more than, you know, putting some pigment in a moisturizer. This is foundation. So that is it for this foundation. Those are my thoughts on it. Nice, natural finish, better oil control probably than the Luminous Silk. True to skin foundation. You know, this one is actually one that I might like say, you know, maybe I'll break out just a little bit more of a mattifying powder just if I really want to, you know, keep that oil at bay. But she's nice everyday foundation, you know, simple things, stuff like that. But you could also kind of dress this one up as well. So, okay, you guys will definitely see Neo Nude again. And yeah, so that is it for this video. I hope seeing me test out this foundation has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.